everybody first must pay tax. Yeah, let's begin there.
Ndumiriri-ini yake ya muthenya wa ira hindi ya gikaro na andiki a mohoro, President William Ruto ni aronekire gukorwo na mwihoko munene na ungania wa magoti kuma kuri Akenya, handu ha kwihoka kigina kiria kiumanaga na ngombo.
Everybody first must pay tax. Yeah, let's begin there. This is not the animal farm where some animals are more equal than others. This is Kenya. We are all equal. Everybody pays their portion of the tax. And number two, we are going to make sure that more people come into the space where they work with government to pay tax.
President akoneka gukorwo wegetete na njira ciothe gutigirira gutire mu Kenya watigiriro hari neti ya gutega aria moragira magoti.
I am not going to wait for anybody to say, okay, I will file a return at the end of the month. There will be nothing like that. We will be paying tax as we spend our money or as we do our business.
Regular kiko kuna tax gap ya 40% ya VAT ile cyagirire kuoyo hari igana birogo na ndimenya yuragira mianya-ini.
Kuringana na muthathauri wa kiwonjoria Patrick Muriuki niguo gukinyaniria undu uyu makinya marumu ni mafatie kuoyo ni thirikari makiria kuhitukira ruhonge rwa ungania wa magoti rwa KRA.
Kenya Revenue Authority yahotire kurehe mwaka wa 2020-21 ni mahotire kuungania 1.669 trillion na president yaraugire mwaka ni igukiongererwo na another trillion kinya tukinyie 3 trillion.
Ungania wa magoti makiria ukoneka kwa kuranwo na kureho kwa magoti meru maria mangihuthika gutigirira matanya ma thirikari ni makinyanira.
No mongerere igoti ta riu kira twitaga personal income, corporate income iria makambuni barahota guthondeka na no macoke na mutweke kindu twitaga scale back.
Woi wa kigina kia Hustler Fund kuhitukira thimu undu mwe na gutwara motungata mothe ma thirikari nenda-ini cia eCitizen ukagwetwo ta njira ya ugi iria gutigirira Akenya ingi ni marika giterenge-ini gia KRA.
Andu aingi matara limita ndao-ini ya thirikari ni mahotire kwi-register Hustler Fund na amwe matahotire kunyitwo ni nyamu yetagwo huduma namba mari thiini.
Ngombo cia bururi ikoneka gukorwo ari muigwa hari thirikari ya Ruto. President akioneka gukunderia mwere wa ngombo makiria kuma nja ya bururi. Umuthio ngombo ciothe ikirugamira ciringi tiririoni 4.7 gikiare gicunjĩ kia 32.3 hari igana hari utonga wa bururi.
And the people of Kenya can be assured that our country will not default on our obligations. That is number one. And the reason why we will not default is because we have already applied brakes on any more borrowing. Our borrowing is going to be limited.
Ona kuri ugwa thathauri akiwonjoria makagweta thirikari kwaga kurano na ngombo indi makauga hari bata kigina giki kira maturia kwagiriire. Handini ya Kameme TV ile torakoni bataru wa Mwagi.